Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have an educational video mostly about the psychology of a trader. What do you need in order to be a successful trader? And of course, before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription. It will help you with that. And of course, you will take easy profits trading 200 altcoins through our automated system with buying and selling opportunities. You will also get a manual system with over 90% win ratio, personal guidance, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis and hold your future in your hands, market updates, random giveaways, scripts for trading view, and many more. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day. Let's go right now into the emotions. And trust me, if you want to be a successful trader, you have to know yourself. First thing you want to do is to know yourself, to know if you panic more, if you have an anxiety more than other people, if you are a disciplined person, for example, and you can stay in a loss for about a month or two, and what is your plan? Okay. But first, let's take it step by step so you realize what I mean with emotions and why it is so important in order to become a successful trader. Let's begin with the midterm. The midterm is a part, actually we use it because we want to describe the price action which goes more than a week into some few months, maybe until 1 year. Okay, so this is the midterm. In this midterm, there are many mistakes that we traders and non-traders, beginners do. For example, the midterm has a growing phase, okay, has a consolidating phase and the terminating phase. All right, so therefore, in the growing phase, after a correction, let's say that we are here on Bitcoin on July, and you are here, for example, okay, and by then you might have done some bad tradings, you might have lost money, or you might have bought at the top, and we just corrected. There you think everything is over, right? When we go up though, you start to begin that probably we are going upwards, but you are not certain yet because you feel like if we have another drop down, then I will lose more money. Okay. And then you do not get in. The next time that days pass and go by, you want to get in, but you are self-aware because you might have entered too late. You might have you might have missed the hype train, so you are thinking that it is best to just let it correct first, okay? And you do not see that. Instead, you're seeing the price going up, and you are near the top, and you're saying, "Oh, okay, I'm just going in. This thing will not correct." And then it is when you make the mistake to go in, and then the price drops. And when the price drops, you probably sell in a loss. And then you get in again here, making the mistake again, the same mistake, and you just sell in a loss. After, when we go into an uptrend again, you're thinking that, no, I do not want to do that. And you're thinking that this is another trap and we are going all the way down. This is what is the basic psychology on a beginner, and not only on a beginner, or as a human being. Okay, so right there, what you want to do in order to avoid that. Let's say that we are here, okay, we are after a correction phase, we are approaching a terminate phase, I think, where we are going near bottom and we are going to see a major swing high. How do you want to avoid not buying the dip, but instead being afraid too much, and even if we go higher and higher, being afraid and you just buy the top and then we fall down? How do you want to avoid that? The answer is very simple. When we get such a dip, such a correction, you want to DCA, you want to buy in each support level lower and lower. That requires actually a very basic trading skill right there, okay, to identify major support levels. And the trading knowledge is something that you should be having. However, the most important thing right there is the discipline. Also, what I have seen through many people, for many people actually, is that they sell too easily when they are in a loss. For example, here, when you saw that minus 11%, you just sold. But little did you know that we are going even higher afterwards. Do not sell so easily when we are having corrections, okay? And of course, make a strategy, a planned strategy. You need to set your goal limit, you need to take profits, and you do not want to let the time go by. Because if you let the time goes by, then this thing right there, cryptocurrency and any other asset like stock market or so, will eventually go down. Nothing can go up forever. We need to have these corrections. And before you trap yourself in, for example, some people might have bought around here, a great buying entry, but you thought that, oh, we are going up forever, and you didn't sell, you didn't get the profits, and then you lock in your money. Another very, very huge mistake, and this leads to many, many bad decisions, is that you want to buy with not all your USDT or whatever your currency is. What I mean by that is many people are doing the same mistake. They are seeing Bitcoin or any other altcoin like Ethereum, for example, and they go all in. Do you have 16K, for example, Tether USD? Do you have 15? Do you have 10K? You are going there all in, or you are going near the top all in. By that, what you're making is, if you meet a top, then you have locked your USDT for quite some long period of time, and you cannot trade. What you want to do is to keep on your portfolio 20% USDT always available, no matter what. Okay, you want to have 20% of your total portfolio into USDT or any other currency, because you want to buy in an eventual drop, or if we have bad news, for example, or anything, you want to buy the dip, right? You want to get in immediately, and of course you want to have money to buy lower and lower, more and more. The same mistake people are doing here is they're buying into a single price, a single coin with all their money, and then they are trapped because some of their friends told them to buy or anything. And learn a lesson there that I truly believe that you should not be listening to people that do not know trading and price analysis. Okay, it is most important that you should always ask for a professional's advice, and rather than buying actually a coin that a friend suggested you or so, or if you do not want to listen to a professional, you can do your own analysis. Okay, you can start learning, you can learn technical analysis and trading and handle all your emotions right there. You are making the worst decisions when you have fear. Fear is a very, very strong emotion. Okay, and here people have fear. We have fear that we are going all the way down. We have fear that we will be going down without having a swing high or so. But let me tell you that I think that we are near a bottom. Okay, and after, when you get into a position when you have profits, set a stop loss order. For example, you have profits, right? And set a stop loss order if you have bought, for example, around the bottom, and Bitcoin is around here. Set a stop loss at around 60K and say that if it goes down from this point, I'm just taking my profits no matter what. Okay, that's what you want to do into avoiding. Set a goal if you are anxious about trading, or if you have anxiety or any other stuff like that, or if you cannot handle things because you are checking the charts all the time, which is not so good. Do not check the charts all the time. Okay, it will give you more headaches. But anyway, if you cannot handle this, then the best thing to do is to put some money each month you do not care about into Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other asset that has a lower risk in the long term. Okay, so make your portfolio for the long term with altcoins or Bitcoin that have a lower risk. With this one right there strategy, you will just accumulate some more and more without thinking about crypto, without having this thought in your mind. But anyway, I think that the best method right there, and the best thing that you want to do, is to handle your emotions, to trade, not day trade. Okay, trade in short mid-term periods. And when we have a drop down, especially check the daily frames and the weekly frames. Do not check the short term. Do not try to make money in the next few hours, in the next few days. Check the midterm in the next few weeks, for example, 1-2 weeks or so. Okay, that's what you want to do. And of course, if you have any problems right there, or if you are facing a difficulty, always talk to other people, okay, and get this positivity out from people. Positivity is a very good thing that we people can share. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto. Thank you. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.